Hi, welcome to all to my data science class. In this video, I will discuss about web scraping using Beautiful Soap. The question which is given is, write a Python program to read Amazon URL from the keyboard and extract the user review of particular product and store the details into amazon.csv using Beautiful Soap. This is the question. For this question, we need to write a Python script. For example, let us consider this is my web page. Actually, in this web page, the product name is Samsung Galaxy M20. This is Amazon website. In the Amazon website, I have searched this product. Then this product, it has the long review. You see in down there is a review. This review I wanted to retrieve. I wanted to store it into CSV file. That is the objective of this program. For this objective of this program, we need to write a Python script. Now, actually, in the previous in the experiment number 1, we have imported 3 packages. The one is request we have imported. The next we have Beautiful Soap we have imported. The pandas we have imported. Only we have imported the 3 package. But we have not imported this SSL package. The reason is in the previous program, we have retrieved the content from the Wikipedia website and we have stored it into the CSV file. If you are retrieving the content from the Wikipedia, there is no need to establish the secure session between your application program to a web server. But whereas in Amazon, if you want to retrieve any content, no, you need to establish the secure session between your application program to the Amazon web server. Okay, that is why I have imported one more package, SSL. Now, actually this 3 line of code is used to, you can ignore the SSL certificate error. If you are not including and if you are executing, you will be getting SSL certificate error. You wanted to establish secure session between your application program to the Amazon web server. For that only we have included this 3 line. Now you see the SSL package already we have imported. Now using the SSL dot create default context. The default context is a method. Using the method I am creating one context variable. The context variable name is ctx. Now for using this variable name, I am setting the property check host name. The host name I am mentioning as a false. In the sense, we will not check the host name when you are connecting your application program to Amazon web server. Then the verification mode. The verification mode I am setting SSL.certificate none. It means that we are not doing any verification. Now I have created, when this 3 line is executed, one context variable will be created. For the context variable, the host name, the property we have set as a false, then the verification mode we have set as a none. Then next using this input method, I am retrieving the Amazon URL from the user. When this line is executed, it will ask the user to enter a URL. Then the URL is assigned to this URL string variable. Then next, URL.open is a method. It will take the 2 parameters. The first parameter is the URL, which one you want to open. According to our case, this is the URL. This URL only we want to open. That URL here we have specified. The next, in which context you want to open. Okay, that is why in the context parameter we need to pass. Already we have created ctx context variable. That context variable we need to pass. The reason is here we need to establish the secure session. That is why we have given the context equal to the ctx variable. According to this context only, we are establishing the secure session between your application program to the Amazon web server. The URL open is a method. If the method is executed, it establishes the secure session between your application program to Amazon web server. Only it will establish the session. It will open a URL. It will not read. When this read method is executed, it will read the entire content that is present in this URL. That entire content it is assigned to HTML variable. The next, using this Beautiful Soap class, I am creating the parser tree. Here the parser tree name is soap. Actually, the Beautiful Soap is a class. It takes the 2 parameters. For which content you want to create a parser tree. According to our example, for this HTML content only we want to create a parser tree. The next parameter is which parser method you are using. According to our example, the HTML parser method only I am going to use. That is why I given the HTML dot parser. When this line is executed, what will happen? It will create a parser tree for this HTML content that is assigned to this soap variable. The next, for logic purpose, I have created one dictionary, the product. Initially the dictionary it is empty. Using this product dictionary only, I am going to store the product details. Then as well as I am going to store the product review. Now you see the next, using this for loop, I am going to retrieve the product title. Then I am going to store it into the product dictionary. The for loop purpose is, using this for loop, we are going to extract the product title and we are going to store it into the product dictionary. Now you see, in this find all method, we are giving span. Then we are in the attribute, we are giving id at id dot product title. The reason is you want to retrieve the product title. Now we will open this web page. In the web page, you want to see the product title. This is the product title. You want to retrieve this product title. If you want to retrieve the product title, first thing is you need to view the source code. You have to right click, go to this view page source. You see here you will be getting this Amazon website as the HTML document. That HTML document, it will come. We have to wait. Okay, this is the HTML code of this Amazon website. Now in this I am pressing Ctrl F. I am searching product title. When I am searching the product title, you see the tag name is span. The ID equal to product title. The tag name is span. The ID is product title. I am searching the product title. When I am searching the product title, I am getting that tag name is span. The corresponding product title is here. Using the span tag only, they are giving the product title. Now I wanted to retrieve this product title. I wanted to store it into the dictionary. That is my objective. That is my objective. For that, what I am going to do now, in the find all method, I am giving the tag. Which tag I want to retrieve the content. The tag name is span. The attribute I am giving in the form of dictionary. Here the key is ID, the corresponding value is product title. The key is ID, the corresponding value is product title. For this product title only, I wanted to retrieve the value. Listen, in the find all method, only we can give a tag. When you are giving the tag, it will retrieve all the content that is present in this span tag. If you are giving the specific ID, specific attribute, for the specific attribute it will retrieve. Now this find all method, it goes to the span tag, then the corresponding ID and product title will retrieve the details that is assigned to this span variable. Then after that, what I am doing now, using this text dot, then the span dot text is a method, is a attribute. Using that I can retrieve I can convert the span into text. Then using this strip method, I am going to remove the white space from the beginning as well as ending of the text that is assigned to this name of the product. Now the product, the name is a dictionary, the name is a key of this dictionary. Then I am inserting the name of the product into the product dictionary. Initially I have created one product empty dictionary. In the product empty dictionary, the key I am giving as a name. In using the name, I am inserting the name of the product. Actually, using this 4 line of code, what I am doing now, I am retrieving the product title. The retrieved product title, it is assigned to this product dictionary. When this break statement is executed, it will break this for loop. It goes to the next line in the program. Then next, in the product dictionary, I have inserted one more key value. The one more key value is long review. In the long review key value, I have not given any value. Initially I have made it as a empty. For logic purpose I have done it. Now next thing is I want to retrieve this review that is present in the Amazon website. Actually, these are some long review. I want to retrieve this long review. Then I want to store this long review into CSV file. That is my objective. Okay, if you want to retrieve this long review, if you want to retrieve this long review, what you have to do? No, actually the review collapsed. Under this value only they have stored that details. Now you go to this source code. In the source code you can search, you have to search it as a, in the review collapsed. Now you see here that actually under this attribute data hook, the review collapsed. Under this attribute only they have stored all these review details. Actually in this HTML page we will be having the div tag. That div tag is a CSL tag that is used to, we can create a container. Using the container we can add a content in our HTML document. Now in the div is a tag. Okay, in the tag the attributes is data hook, the corresponding values review collapsed. Okay, under this tag only they have given all this review details. This review detail only we wanted to retrieve. Now okay, in the find all is a method. It takes the tag name as a input. According to our example, the tag name is div, the attributes is data hook, the review collapsed. This is the key, the corresponding value is review collapsed. Even you can give one more attribute also. According to our case, in the div tag only I wanted to retrieve this content. That is why I gave only one attribute. When this method is executed, what will happen? All the review, it is retrieved from the Amazon website. Then that is assigned to divs, this variable. Then using this for loop, I am iterating one by one. The first review, the beginning, actually when I am iterating, the first review comes to this divs variable. Then using this text attribute, I am converting the HTML document into text. Then using the strip method, I am removing the white space from the beginning as well as ending. That is assigned to this long review variable. Then product long review, the append is a method. Actually here the long review is a key. In the long review key I am appending the long review which I have retrieved. That is assigned to this dictionary. Again in the second iteration it will retrieve the second review. The second review again it is appended in the long review key. Like that this program it will execute until it reaches the end of the review. When the end of the review is retrieved, this for loop execution will be terminated. The next using this data frame class, I am creating one data frame object. The data frame object name is df. In that only I am inserting the long review. In the product is here my dictionary. In the product dictionary I am giving the key is long review. Then I am retrieving only the long review details. The long review details it is assigned to this data frame. Then using this line of code I am writing this whatever the content that is present in the data frame I am writing to the amazon.csv. The next this print statement is executed. What will happen? The extraction of the product name. Here the product is a dictionary. In that I am passing the key as a name. It will retrieve the corresponding product title. Then the extraction of particular product data is complete. Check the output file. If this line is executed, it will display that the extraction of the Samsung mobile data is completed. Check the output file. Now let's see. I am going to run this program and I am going to show the output. When you run this program, it will ask enter the Amazon product URL. Now this is the Amazon product URL. Now actually for this Amazon product only I want to retrieve the long review. Okay, that is why I copied this URL. I am going to give as a input. Now when I press enter, the program will the execution it's keep on over. When the execution is completed, you see the extraction of Samsung Galaxy M20 data is complete. Check the output file. Now we need to check this output file. According to our case, the output file is amazon.csv. You need to check this amazon.csv file. In the amazon.csv file, you need to check the output. Now I'm going to my home. In the home, I am checking amazon.csv file. Now you see there the amazon.csv file is created. Now I am opening this file. This file, the content is stored in the form of CSV file. If you want to view it in better way, you go to this download that content. Okay, I am saving that content. Then I am going to open. You see, this is the review. This is the review. Actually, there are only 21 long review. That long review we have retrieved from the Amazon website and we have stored it into this CSV file. Then we can use this data for doing some data analytic purpose. We can use it later. Actually, this program objective is the main objective is we need to read one URL from the user. Then with the help of the URL, we need to retrieve the Amazon URL from the user. Then with the help of that Amazon URL, we need to find out the product long review. That long review we need to store it into the amazon.csv file. That is the objective. This program we have executed and I have shown the demonstration also. Okay, thanks for watching.